Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check story archive on Snapchat. So for this, the first step is to open the Snapchat app on this iOS device. So from here, what to do, you will have to move on the top left corner of avatar. So from here you will in this setting you will just scroll down, and in the memory section, so in the memory section you will just turn it on, auto save to memories. So now you will have to go back and go in the story section. So from here you will just go in the camera roll in the memories, and you will just tap to stories. So right now I don't have any archive Snapchat stories, so but you will find in here. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.